Selam. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Hi. My name is Aysylu. Nice to meet you. Last time we learned how to greet people in Tatar on various occasions. By the way, if you remember how to say hi in Tatar, make sure to like this video right now. Today we'll learn how to introduce ourselves when we meet someone for the first time. Before we start though, make sure to subscribe to my channel so that you can keep up with the future Tatar lessons. When we meet someone for the first time, we can say Selam. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Hi. My name is Aysylu. Nice to meet you. Again. Selam. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. If you are in a more formal environment, you can use isemmesis instead of selam, just like we learned in the previous lesson. And then it will sound like isemmesis. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Hello, my name is Aysylu. Nice to meet you. Again, isemmesis. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Now let's break these phrases word by word. Let's start with менің исемім Aysylu. Менің, my, исемім, my name. The noun isim, which means name, at the end adopts this ending im, which shows who the name belongs to. So, isimim means my name. So we basically show the possession twice using the pronoun menim, my, and with the ending that we add at the end of the noun, im. Menim, isimim, my name. Next phrase, мен танышуыбызға big shot. Мен, I, танышуыбызға, to our acquaintance or our meeting, big shot, very glad or very happy. As you probably noticed, in Tatar language, we don't use the verb to be in order to express some kind of a state. So if we translate the sentence literally, it will sound like, I glad to our acquaintance. And actually many years ago, when I just started learning English, it took me a while to get used to using the verb to be in English sentences. Now, how do you ask what the other person's name is? Again, you can choose between the informal and formal ways to do that. So in more casual cases, we can say Senin ismin niçik? And what is your name? Senin ismin niçik? Means and. On other occasions, it may also mean but. Senin, your, it's a singular pronoun. İsmin. Again, we see the possessive ending ing at the end of the noun isim, which means your name. Niçik means what or how. So, senin ismin niçik? And what is your name? In order to ask someone's name in a more formal way, we'll say sizin isminiz niçik? And what is your name? Sizin isminiz niçik? Means and. Sizin, your, it's a second person pronoun in a formal way. İsminiz, your name. We added the ending igis at the end of isim to make it your name. Niçik, what or how. Sizin isminiz niçik? Now let's review what we learned today. Selam. Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Senin ismin niçik? Hi. My name is Aysylu. It's nice to meet you. And what is your name? İsen misiniz? Менің исемім Aysylu. Мен танышуыбызға big shot. Sizin isminiz niçik? Hello. My name is Aysylu. It's nice to meet you. And what is your name? Now you know how to introduce yourself and you know how to ask someone's name when you meet them for the first time. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. Please like this video if you found it useful and make sure to subscribe to my channel for the future Tatar lessons. Hoşçakalın. See you soon.